When you're moving into your new home, you want to be sure that you get all of the necessary utilities set up beforehand so you don't get stuck without electricity, water, or heat. You can do this online and it's easy. First, find out who your local electric company is by doing a simple search, Electric Company San Francisco. And I can see that PG&E is who I need to contact. I can visit the site, follow the information about new homes and start and stop service, and I see that I need to call them in order to set up service. Good to know. Then you can do the same type of search to find out, for example, what cable company you need to contact in order to get set up before you move. And I see that Comcast is who I need to contact. Click on the moving link and I can easily start my new service right online. There's also a site called whitefence.com that allows you to put in your new address, and then it will show you the best deals for utilities in that area. You'll see various bundles that are available and what they cost. In some cases, you can even continue on and sign up for the service right from here. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the first 9 episodes in the Finding a Home with Online Tools series.
Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.